Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about intermediate first year zoology, structural organization of animals. In this class we will discuss about animal tissue. Second one, connective tissue. So first tissue epithelium is completed in the previous class. So in this class we will discuss about connective tissue. So connective tissue main material is cells and extracellular matrix. So extracellular matrix have two types of materials, ground substances and fibers. So in the ground substances mainly three types: water, proteins, polysaccharides. In the fibers three types of material: collagen, elastin, reticular fibers. So this is the main points of connective tissue. So base in the matrix, so connective tissue are three types. First one, connective tissue proper. Second one, skeletal tissue. Third one, fluid connective tissue. First one, connective tissue proper. This is also two types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue. Skeletal tissue, this is two types: cartilage, bone. Fluid connective tissue, it contains blood, lymph. So in this class we will discuss about connective tissue proper, loose and dense connective tissue. In the next class we will discuss about this one. So in this class discuss about connective tissue proper. So we know that this is two types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue. So loose connective tissue is divided into three types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, reticular tissue. So areolar tissue example skin. So adipose tissue example fat. Reticular tissue example bone marrow, spleen, lymph nodes. Next one, dense connective tissue. This is also three types: dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue, and elastic connective tissue. So first of all we will discuss loose connective tissue. So first one, areolar tissue cells. So this is present in skin. So areolar tissue cells, five types, mainly five types. Don't confusion these topics. Why? Because I write very short notes and mind maps and tables. So you must write short notes. First one, areolar tissue cells, five types. First one, fibroblasts. So fibroblasts secrete fibers. Next, mast cells. Mast cells, heparin, histamine, bradykinin, serotonin. Next, macrophages is monocytes. Plasma cells, they have B lymphocytes, these are antibodies. Next, adipocytes. This is adipocytes store fats. So areolar tissue cells are five types: fibroblasts, mast cells, macrophages, plasma cells, adipocytes. So features: collagen, this is the white fibers; elastic fibers, reticular fibers. So protein, so in this collagen, protein are called collagen. In the elastic fibers, protein, elastin. Reticular fibers, protein, collagen. Fibers, in these unbranched fibers, branched fibers, branched fibers. Arrangement, So arrangement is bundles like arrangement. This elastic and reticular are network like arrangement. So nature. So strong and stretchable resistance. Elastic fibers extension and recoil. Reticular fibers are strength and support. So this is the areolar tissue fibers. Three types of fibers, their features. So this is very important. So connective tissue proper, loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue. In the loose connective tissue, we will discuss areolar tissue. So their features, collagen, elastic, reticular fibers features. Next one, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. So adipose tissue two types, white adipose tissue, brown adipose tissue. So features of two types of tissues. Predominant type in white adipose tissue in adults, brown adipose tissue fetus and infants. Adipocyte are monolocular in white and multilocular in brown. Mitochondria are fewer. In the brown, numerous, means many. Metabolic activity are lower in white, higher in brown. What is the function of these adipose tissue? So white adipose tissue store the fat. Brown adipose tissue heat generation. So function is heat generation. So this is the overall topic of adipose tissue, white and brown adipose tissue. Next one, dense connective tissue. So we know that dense connective tissue have three types: dense, regular, irregular, elastic. So features, collagen fibers arranged parallelly in bundles in the regular. So arranged irregular, so that's why the name is irregular. So regular, irregular. So in the regular, it arranged parallelly in the bundles. It arranged in irregular. Collagen fibers are present in elastic. Elastic fibers absent in both regular and irregular. But elastic fibers present, predominant in elastic connective tissue. Next, nature. So this is the stretch resistant one direction. Only one direction stretchable. Irregular are stretch resistant several directions. So elastic is extend and recoil. For example, dense regular connective tissue. Example, tendons, ligaments. So this is stretchable in only one direction. Next, this one stretch resistant in several directions. Example, peristemium, endostem, pericardium, heart valves, joint capsules, dermis. So this is the stretchable several directions. Irregular, dense connective tissue. Next, elastic. Example, wall of arteries, trachea, bronchi, elastic ligaments between vertebrates. So this is the main features of dense connective tissue. Thus connective tissue proper. In the next class, we will discuss about skeletal tissue. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.